All right, everyone, welcome back to the garden. Just been a few days. All of our zinnias are coming up. Our sweet peas across the whole thing. And look at our bush beans, our cantaloupes. Some of them are really getting big. The corn. Planted some tomato seeds here yesterday. Look at the pumpkins. Look at the size of some of those. And then over there is cucumbers. Just planted seeds. And our peppers are looking really good. Watermelons. Strawberries. Look at the size of this zucchini. Look how much it's grown. And this one, we have at least 5, 6 zucchinis going on that thing. And look at this cucumber. It's almost to the very end of the bed. And we have our first pepper. From this plant anyway. From these plants, look at the size of that. And all the cantaloupes we transplanted are looking very good. And that, my friends, is a garden update. See you in a few days.